tiri pababa mabhuku 10 off. Vanhu vangachita neseki Yes, we are streaming live from Mabhuku 10 off. A truck has just burst in fire. We don't know the cause, but this is happening in Mabhuku 10 off. Motorists that are using that road, exercise caution. Live, this is live from Mabhuku 10 off. This is live from Mabhuku 10 off. Motorists that are using that road, please exercise caution. Yes, pane mota yatsva pamabhuku 10 off. Truck hatisimuziva kuti chii chakonzeresa tsaona yacho, saka vari kushandisa mugwagwa iwoyu. Chenjererai. Pamabhuku 10 off. Pamabhuku 10 off. Pane truck yatsva. Pane truck yatsva. Mabhuku 10 off. Please take note. Mabhuku 10 off. We don't need to write the name of the place, but as we are telling you, this is Mabhuku 10 off for now.